The journey of instant coffee, from bean to cup. Instant coffee has been a part of our lives since 1890, evolving into more than just a beverage. It's a perfect blend of modern technology and time-honored expertise in food production. Whether it's fueling early mornings or late-night work sessions, instant coffee has become a daily essential, offering both convenience and bold flavor. Leading the way in instant coffee production is Nescafé by Nestlé, responsible for an astonishing 1 billion cups of coffee daily. To sustain this scale, Nestlé collaborates with over 100,000 farmers from top coffee-growing regions like Brazil and Vietnam, sourcing more than 13 million bags of coffee beans annually. These beans are processed in 24 advanced factories worldwide, ensuring that each cup of instant coffee meets the highest quality standards. But how does a humble coffee cherry transform into a rich, aromatic instant coffee? Let's explore this fascinating journey. 1. Growing coffee cherries. Nestlé carefully selects premium coffee beans from regions like Brazil and Vietnam, where ideal conditions cultivate superior beans. The journey begins when coffee plants bloom with fragrant white flowers, which last only a few days. Over the next 6 to 9 months, these flowers develop into green cherries before ripening into a deep red hue. At peak ripeness, farmers carefully monitor the plants. Timing is crucial, as harvesting too early or too late affects flavor and quality. Once 95% of the cherries are red, the harvest begins. 2. Harvesting. Manual versus machine. On small farms, handpicking remains a tradition, requiring patience and precision. However, large-scale farms rely on modern mechanical harvesters equipped with 1,500 vibrating rods. These machines shake the branches, causing ripe cherries to fall into collection trays below. This method is incredibly efficient. A single tree can be harvested in just 2 to 3 seconds. Up to 60 bags of cherries can be collected within 5 hours. Compared to the time-consuming manual process, machine harvesting revolutionizes efficiency while maintaining quality. 3. Depulping. Removing the outer layer. Within 8 to 12 hours of harvesting, ripe cherries arrive at wet mills to maintain freshness. They are first sorted in large water tanks. Ripe cherries sink, while unripe ones float and are removed. The cherries then pass through rotating drums that gently strip away the outer pulp, revealing the coffee beans inside. The discarded pulp isn't wasted, it's often repurposed as organic fertilizer, promoting sustainable farming. 4. Fermentation. Breaking down mucilage. Despite depulping, the beans are still coated in a sticky layer called mucilage. To remove this, they are soaked in fermentation tanks for 12 to 24 hours. This natural process breaks down the mucilage, ensuring the beans achieve the ideal texture and taste. Farmers carefully monitor this step. Over-fermentation can negatively impact the final flavor. Once the mucilage dissolves, the beans undergo thorough washing to ensure purity. 5. Drying. Preserving the beans. Next, the beans are spread out on special drying beds or raised platforms to ensure even airflow. Under the sun, drying takes 1 to 2 weeks, depending on weather conditions. If the climate is humid, additional covers protect the beans from moisture. The goal is to reduce moisture content to 11%, ensuring long-term storage without compromising flavor. Six. Hulling. Removing the protective layer. Once dried, the beans enter the hulling process, where machines gently remove their parchment layer without damaging the beans inside. Any remaining debris is sifted out, leaving behind fresh, green coffee beans, a symbol of high quality. The discarded parchment is often recycled as organic fertilizer or used as fuel for drying ovens, reinforcing sustainable practices. Seven. Storage and transportation. The green coffee beans are stored in large burlap sacks made from natural jute, protecting them from moisture and pests. Each sack weighs about 60 kilograms and is labeled with its origin, type, and quality, ensuring full traceability. These sacks are then stored in well-ventilated warehouses, where temperature and humidity are closely controlled. Depending on demand, the beans can be stored for weeks or months while retaining their freshness. Eight. Robotic unloading at the factory. At Nestlé's advanced factories, robotic arms efficiently unload the heavy sacks, reducing workplace injuries. The robots also check the moisture content, ensuring only beans meeting strict quality standards proceed to the next stage. 9. Sifting and sorting. The beans undergo a sifting process, ensuring only the best make it through. Automated sifters sort the beans based on size, shape, and integrity, removing any defective or broken beans. This step guarantees uniformity before roasting. Roasting. Unlocking flavor. Roasting transforms raw beans into rich, aromatic coffee. The beans are placed in rotating drum roasters at temperatures between 370 degrees Fahrenheit to 540 degrees Fahrenheit, with roasting times ranging from 8 to 20 minutes. Light roast blonde retains more caffeine and has a bright, acidic flavor. Dark roast has less caffeine but a bold, smoky taste, perfect for deep, complex coffee lovers. During roasting, the beans constantly move to ensure even heat distribution. Once the desired roast is achieved, the beans are rapidly cooled to preserve their aroma and flavor. Grinding. Precision and consistency. After cooling, the beans are finely ground using industrial grinders designed to maintain uniform particle size. This ensures optimal extraction in the brewing process, preventing over or under extraction of flavors. Spray drying. Creating instant coffee. To make instant coffee, the ground coffee is brewed and turned into a concentrated liquid, which is then spray dried. The coffee extract is sprayed into a hot air chamber up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. The moisture instantly evaporates, leaving behind fine, dry coffee particles. This method is fast and efficient, preserving most of the coffee's natural flavors. Freeze drying. Premium flavor retention. For higher quality instant coffee, the liquid coffee extract is quickly frozen at -58 degrees Fahrenheit, then broken into small granules. These frozen granules are placed in a vacuum chamber, where they undergo sublimation, a process that removes water without turning it into liquid. The result: light, porous granules that dissolve quickly, preserving the full aroma and rich taste of freshly brewed coffee. Packaging, sealing and freshness. The dried coffee granules are packed into airtight glass jars, ensuring long-lasting freshness. Some factories can fill up to 250,000 jars daily. After sealing, the jars are labeled and prepared for global distribution, bringing the convenience and magic of instant coffee to millions worldwide. The perfect cup. From coffee cherries on distant farms to the instant coffee in your cup, every step in this journey is a masterpiece of innovation, precision, and passion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like to show your support. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. See you in the next video.